The Union Health Ministry today held a briefing to give details of what is happening regarding the COVID situation. Today was the day when over 52,000 cases came to light. Also, the number of testing has gone up and has crossed over 5 lakh in this week of July. The Health Ministry said that though there has been a progressive increase over the past few days in numbers, there has also been a progressive increase in the number of recoveries which has taken place in the country, and as of now more than 64% people have recovered, which means roughly more than 1 million people in the country have recovered of COVID, and for that reason the healthcare workers need to be applauded. Over 131 healthcare workers have died and they have claimed for rupees 50 lakh compensation in the Health Ministry, out of which over 20 people have got that and rest application are under process. The Health Ministry clearly said that yes, the seroprevalence has shown that large amount of population in the metro cities have got infected, but the herd immunity is not a strategic option. When asked on the vaccine development, the Health Ministry official who were present in the briefing clearly said that so far the manufacturers have been there and the stakeholders have been there in touch with the Health Ministry, but all those companies which are there currently involved in vaccine development, there has been no communication with them. The Health Ministry officials who were present in the meeting said that currently the situation still remains grim in some of the states, and that remains to be seen by the Health Ministry and the state governments at a time when Unlock 3 has happened, and by August 5 the Health Ministry will again release some of the guidelines for opening of yoga and yoga institutes and also the gymnasiums. So far the ministry says that it has been able to implement the social distancing and other important norms which were needed to contain this virus spread, and so far it looks that the recovery path in India has increased. On a question whether community transmission has taken place in the country or not, as always the ministry said that there has been no community transmission in the country. So far as the Ram Janmabhoomi event is concerned, on August 5, the Health Ministry has said that there are already standard procedures in line already in the public domain which has to be followed. Currently, if you see the India scenario, the infection rate is high, but the Health Ministry maintains that all the states in the country are doing more than 140 tests, which has been prescribed by WHO, and currently all the 31 states in the and union territories in the country are doing more than 140 tests per million, and that is why the RT-PCR test is in focus here, and it will remain so in the coming time as well.